Hello friends, in my YouTube channel Advocate Amit Kumar Gupta. Today I am going to discuss the case of New Noble Education Society versus Chief Commissioner of Income Tax and another. This case has been reported in 448 ITR at page number 594 and the case has been decided by Honorable Supreme Court. The date of the judgment is 19th October 2022. In this particular case, the assessee was seeking the registration under section 10, subsection 23C, clause 6. This section talks about the registration of a NGO who is engaged in the activity of education solely. The society was registered in Andhra Pradesh as a society. In Andhra Pradesh, every educational institution has to comply with other laws also and to get them registered under the education department also. The assessee was seeking the registration before the Principal Commissioner of Income Tax. Principal Commissioner of Income Tax said that since you have not complied with the state laws, so we cannot give you the registration under section 10, subsection 23C, clause 6. The second point of dispute was that PCIT was asking for the financial of the society of the previous years so that he can determine whether the society was doing educational activity or not. But the society said that at the time of the registration, you can seek only the objects of the society. If the objects of the society are educational, then you have to give me the registration and you can ask any other query in my assessment proceedings. And this law was decided in two important decisions of the Supreme Court. One is American Hotel and Queen Education. The Supreme Court said that although it is true in the case of a new society, because in that case the old records are not available, the old balance sheets are not available, so the assessee cannot give the documentary evidence that it is carrying on the educational activity or not. But in case the society is old enough or some years have passed and then the society is seeking the registration under the Income Tax Act, then in that case it has to provide its documentary evidence in the form of balance sheet and income and expenditure account so that the PCIT may determine whether actually the educational activities has been done or not. So the court said that to that extent, this present judgment overrules the judgment of the American Hotel and Queen Society. Apart from this, the court said that the word solely is very important in section 10, subsection 23C, clause 6. It means that escalation to the other objects. The court has given some examples in respect of education society, like the society can carry on the business of selling books and can do some activity in respect of transportation of the children who are studying into the school. So some examples have been given by the Supreme Court which shows that there should be very close proximity between the education and the other objects, and for that purpose also the society should maintain proper books of accounts and separate books of accounts under section 11 subsection 4A, and those objectives should be very incidental and have a close proximity with the education. So in this case, broadly, the law laid down is that the PCIT can ask for the earlier records also. The earlier Supreme Court judgment which says that those records can be checked only at the time of the assessment. So to that extent, those judgments have been overruled. And the second point is that if the educational society has to comply with other laws also, then the PCIT has full power to look into those applicability of the other laws, whether those laws have been complied by the society or not. If those laws are not complied with the society, then the PCIT is well in the jurisdiction of denying the registration under section 10 subsection 23C clause 6. So in this particular case, the court has very vehemently defined the word sole, which is appearing in section 10 subsection 23C clause 6. Friends, this case is very important. The name of the judgment is New Noble Education Society versus Chief Commissioner of Income Tax and another. Thank you, friends.